Checking the thermal gradient on row 3.
Fluctuation detected near the leading edge.
Pay close attention to the calibration right here.
The readings are stabilizing at the expected parameters, sir.
Excellent. Let's verify the torque on the housing next.
Welcome to the heart of our operation. This massive hall is where our dedicated team assembles the next generation of engines.
All right, the fluctuations are increasing. I want the magnetic seals reinforced on level 3. We are on a tight schedule here.
Okay, gently slide it to the left. Confirm alignment before seating it.
I'm getting a slight irregularity on unit 7.
Reroute it for manual review.
He's checking the curvature near the tip.
The tolerances here are extremely tight. Let's verify the measurements.
The trailing edge deviation is within tolerance.
Confirmed. The scan correlates with the CFD model.
Alignment holding steady at point 4.
Confirmed. Proceed with final sequence lock.
I see the microfracture at the 40-meter mark.
Noted. Logging the coordinates now.
We should increase the feed rate by 5%. Check the thermal readings on the holo display first. Okay, gently does it. Data stream is green. Lock it in.
The flow pattern around the heat exchanger looks stable now.
Yes, let's maintain this for the next cycle.
The thermal signature is peaking right here.
Reroute the flow sensors. We need a clearer picture of the boundary layer separation.
Copy that. Proceeding with torque sequence on level 4.
Okay, coming up on the main junction now. Hold on, zoom in right there. That doesn't look right.
Keep rotating slowly around that bend. Right here, there's a slight anomaly at the 5-inch mark. Panels are locked down. Final diagnostics clear.
Assembly complete, Supervisor. Ready for inspection.
The alignment seems stable at this speed.
Yes, the vibration data looks good.
We can proceed to the next phase.
We're seeing a slight drift on the primary sensor array.
Compensating now. Grid is locking in.
Alignment is within tolerance.
Can you confirm the internal structure looks clean on your end?
Yes, the borescope view matches the schematics. We are good to proceed.
We can sign off on this section.
Core temperature rising too fast. We have to initiate cooling sequence now.
Check the manifold pressure reading now.
It's holding steady at 3,000 psi.
Pressure holding at maximum. Seals are green.
Doors secure. Test commencing.
The pressure reading on Sector 4 is fluctuating.
I see it. Rerouting coolant now.
We have a fluctuation on the primary conduit.
Adjusting flow rate by 5%.
Levels are spiking in Sector 4. We need to reroute auxiliary power now.
Rerouting sequence initiated.
Confirmation on the timeline. Control.
Levels approaching critical on port side sensors.
I show a steady increase in localized vibration.
Maintain current thrust and observe closely.
We're exceeding stabilization parameters on the north coupling. I see the spike. Recommend immediate power reduction to 70%.
Surface integrity looks nominal, but the casing shows slight seepage under UV.
Noted. Let's tag this section for further analysis.
Right there, Sector 7. See the fluorescence.
Confirmed. Logging the coordinates now.
Clearance granted. Proceed to calibration point Charlie.